keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 3, EVS, chapter number 20, Our Community Life. Children, observe this picture carefully. In both the pictures, you can see a lot of difference. In the first picture, girl is sitting alone and she is sad. While in second picture, all the girls are happy. Why? Because they all are friends. As you all like to play with your friends, similarly they are happy with their friends. We like the company of other people. At home, we live with our parents. We also have neighbors. We miss our friends if we can't meet them. We miss our pet when they are not around. People like to live in groups. Living in the company of our family, neighbors, and other people means living in a community. Community life is interdependent. We all need community life. If we don't have friends and other people around us, who will we speak to? Or who will we share our joys and sorrows with? We always need some or the other person around us so that we can talk to them. In a community, we get companions. We feel secure in their company. We help them and they help us too. This is known as cooperation. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Rules are needed to build this cooperation. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Goods have to be produced to satisfy needs. This is called as production of goods. The service process of reaching those goods to the people is called service. Production and service are both necessary to satisfy needs. Many people contribute to this. One person cannot produce everything, neither he can give all services by himself. Community life is interdependent. That means each and everyone is dependent on each other for their daily needs. Rules for living in a community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. We have to deal with other people in our community all the time. For smooth running of our day-to-day affairs, everybody has to follow certain restrictions. These are called as rules. Rules bring discipline into community life. Rules are meant for each and every one. Let it be in school or outside the school. It is very important to follow rules so that you can be disciplined person not only in school but also outside in the community life. Before playing any game, we must first understand its rules. The rules of the game are same for everybody. Every player has to follow the rules. Only then does the game goes smoothly. Similarly, in order to make sure that community life also goes on smoothly, we must follow the rules. Games have an important place in our lives. We imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity through games. Participation, determination, and passion are more important than winning or losing. Sports helps us to stay healthy. Sports also helps us to become a disciplined person. What we have learned: people like to live in a community. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life. Our daily needs are fulfilled in community life. Rules are needed for smooth running of community life. Games teach us cooperation and unity. Sports keeps us healthy. This was it for today's chapter, my dear students. Until next time, stay safe and keep learning.